back in. This is Josh Cupio with my little puppy Cupo. He's only like 9 weeks old. Hey, Cupo! Don't go in my laundry, please. Oh. He's so confused. What do you have? What do you have? A piece of trash. No, bad. Okay, that's fine. Say hi to the camera. I think he likes the camera. He likes the camera. Hey, boy. And I'll see you my. Hey,
what's up, guys? And remember to subscribe to me, Abel Moore.
He's getting ready to do his video on Cooper too, so.
Yeah, he's so cute.
I know.
He could be the world's cutest dog.
And he's my puppy, not yours, Abel. It's so sad.
No dog sleep in my room. Yes,
where you
welcome
going?
back, guys. And here's my brother's adorable little puppy, Cooper. Smile for the camera.
If you just stick it right up his up on.
Smile for the camera, Cooper.
Okay, Abel, stop. Just watch. Just
So
watch.
cute. Is he squatting?
Watch. No, he's sitting.
He's just sitting. Wait, what's he got?
Get it!
Ah!
No, boy!
Bit me!
We just ran. Kubo, look at the camera! Kubo,
Look at the camera!
oh, no, there again! That's my messy bed. Hey, Kubo, no! Hey, boy! No! Hey, boy! So it's gonna be the end. It's just a little thing for my little buddy.
Yeah.
What do you freaking have? No! I told you no!
That's the end of my video of the cutest dog ever. And don't forget to subscribe to my brother, Josh.
See ya, leave a like!
Goop 1.
Okay,
No
guys.
space after Goop, just 1.
Okay, guys.
Space between the Goop. Do not forget.
Guys, leave a like and subscribe, people.
Leave a like.
And I got some great news. This is one of my other YouTuber friends. His name is Gummymon. You should totally check him out. He's pretty cool. He's been doing YouTube for like a year, a lot more than me. So, well, see you guys. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Bye. Hey, boy. Hey, Cooper. Say bye to everybody. Say bye to the internet. He wants to say bye. I know it. Hey, Cooper. Yep. Oh, okay. Well, say bye. Hey, boy. Say bye. Say bye. Hey, no. That's my phone. No, it's my phone, Jojo. But I do get mad at him sometimes, but still, no, I suck. He's still the cutest puppy ever. Ow! Yep, he's definitely saying goodbye.